Welcome to Expert Agencies. This video is about power transformer protection performed using artificial neural network. This project is available for sales for MTech students. To start with, the transformer, it is a static electric device. So this protection project is about how to employ artificial neural network to improve the transformer protection features. So in electric power systems, the power transformers of up to 500 kV are very common, and these transformers can be found at the generation location, distribution points, and near to the domestic consumers. So these are the places where you find the transformer. When you come to the type of faults, you will find winding to core faults, which is due to the weakening of the insulation. Then we have phase faults that occurs within the transformer, and sometimes you will also find terminal faults, that is outside the transformer unit but occurs within the transformer protection zone. And further, we do have online tap changing mechanisms. So this is another area where faults will occur, and most of the power transformers, they are all oil immersed type, and there is also a possibility that the oil may leak, and this may lead to faults. So for all these types of faults, we employ the artificial neural network technique to detect the faults. The final output of this project will be a MATLAB coding for the artificial neural network that will cover various types of faults, and the performance of the trained neural network. So that will also be included in the results of this project. That is mainly the error plot. Once the neural network training is completed, what is the error plot, that also you can obtain in this project. And this project you can compare with the conventionally available differential protection. Further research you can direct by studying the magnetic inrush effects, then over excitation. These are all some other areas which are related to the transformer faults. So that at the preliminary stage you can do the project given in this quotation, and you may extend this project in these following directions. And you can also study the CT saturation effects. So these are all some additional work that can be done after completing these projects. So students interested in buying this project, they can contact our team by the information available in the description, and you can get this project online by making payment on Western Union or by bank transfer, and the entire tutorial you can have on WhatsApp audio chat or through Google Meet.